Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll provide the ultimate guide to setting up the D-Link E15 Wi-Fi 6 extender. Whether you're aiming to enhance your Wi-Fi coverage at home or boost internet speeds in challenging spots, this step-by-step tutorial will get you connected quickly. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's unbox the D-Link E15 and take a look at what's inside. You'll find the extender itself, a quick installation guide, and a warranty card. The D-Link E15 is designed to extend your existing Wi-Fi 6 network, boosting both range and speed. Before we start, ensure you place your extender in an optimal location, ideally halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. Avoid placing it too far from the router to maintain strong signal strength. Plug the D-Link E15 into a wall outlet and confirm it's powered on by checking the blinking LED, which signals it's ready for setup. To set up your D-Link E15, the simplest method is using the D-Link Wi-Fi app. Start by downloading the app from either the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and follow the on-screen prompts to easily add and configure your new device. Once the app has detected your E15, it will guide you to connect the extender to your existing Wi-Fi network. Select your home network and enter the password. The extender will automatically sync with your router, and the LED indicator should turn solid green, meaning it's successfully connected. Now that your D-Link E15 is connected, the app will allow you to customize settings like changing the extender's network name or password. Once the setup is complete, do a quick speed test in the area where the Wi-Fi signal was weak to ensure you're getting better coverage. To get the best performance out of your D-Link E15, make sure to place it in an open area, away from thick walls and electronic devices that might cause interference. Also, keep your firmware updated regularly using the D-Link app for better security and performance.